Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Bergens County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's update. I'm just going to give a Christmas update for everything that's kind of going to go on over Christmas. And before I do that, I'd like to just kind of thank our students and our staff for an outstanding first semester. I cannot believe it's gone already Christmas break, and it just flew by. But we had a lot of great things going on in our high school. Just really appreciate the effort that everybody has given here. It is at this time of the year where I really reflect a lot on just where I'm at in my life, and couldn't be more blessed to be part of this school and part of these students, part of the staff. So and this community, this place means a lot to me. It's where I'm from. The school means a lot to me. So just really appreciate everything that goes on here at this building, the hard work, the dedication that our students and our staff put in to make this place a great place. The 9 weeks did come to a conclusion as well as the semester ended. We had our finals on Tuesday and Wednesday when we let out for school. Our teachers will have our grades put into the computer and up to date on Wednesday, January the 2nd. We will be mailing out our report cards on Friday, January the 4th. So you can be expecting to receive those report cards the week of January the 7th. Athletically, over the Christmas break, our Fighting Tigers are hosting a basketball tournament here at Bergens County High School. That'll be December the 20th through December 22nd. And then we'll have a Christmas break, Christmas for the 24th, 25th. And then our boys basketball team will be heading to Daytona Beach on the 26th. They will be playing in the Daytona Beach Christmas Tournament. That'll be on December the 27th through December the 29th. And our girls basketball team will be heading to South Warren Christmas Tournament, and they will be playing on December 27th through the 29th. We will return to school on Wednesday, January the 2nd, and our boys and girls basketball team will be in action on that Thursday and Friday, January the 3rd and January the 4th. Our boys will be hosting Trinity on the 3rd. Our girls basketball team will be traveling to John Hardin on the 3rd. And our boys basketball team will be freshman JV hosting Trinity on the 3rd. My apologies. And then on Friday, we'll be boys and girls be a boy-girl doubleheader at Cloverport on that 4th. And that concludes our this week's Tiger Minute to kind of keep everybody up to date on what's going on. I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.